Here's a little sneak preview of the pendants we're going to be featuring in the new Forged in Fire Kumihimo necklace kits. These are all Raku ceramic pendants. That means that first they were formed out of clay, and after the pendant was formed, it was allowed to air dry, and then it was fired in a kiln for the first firing, and then after that it was glazed. And one thing that's really interesting about the making of Raku pendants like this is that you don't know exactly what colors you're going to get when you do the glazing. So you put on the glazing and really you're choosing, is it going to be matte or is it going to be shiny? That's what your color choice is with the glaze itself. And then the glazed pendants are put into a kiln for a second time, and in that firing, the glazes melt. And then after they've been in the kiln long enough, the lid is removed from the kiln, and the pendants that are still extremely, extremely hot are very quickly removed from the kiln, and then they are put in a combustion vessel that is full of combustible materials. And then because the pendants are so hot, the material, it bursts into flames. So like it's full of newspaper, and the newspaper ignites, flames come shooting up, and then you just slam the lid down on it and let that fire burn down. And it's through that process that these incredible colors develop. And what you get is a bit of a surprise every time. It depends on the oxygen and, you know, like the humidity on the day that you're working and how all the different elements come together. And that is what makes Raku so incredibly special. You just get these amazing, amazing colors. And for the Forged in Fire necklace, we're going to make a beaded rope using size 8 seed beads. And we're going to shift the colors from one side to the other. So one side of the necklace will be one color and the other side will be another. And most of the kits are going to be this slide-on style pendant. But we will have some that are going to be a tie-on, and your kit instructions will, of course, tell you what to do if yours is a tie-on. And these are just really special. Each one of these is absolutely unique, can't be reproduced. You'll never see one that's exactly like it. They're so beautiful. I think you're really going to enjoy braiding up your Forged in Fire necklace and then wearing it. They're so special. Happy braiding.